I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you mass programming in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Mass programming in Dealer Admin allows you to make programming changes to one or many systems in just a few clicks. For example, if you need to change the entry delay on 50 or 100 or 200 systems, you can simply set up a mass programming event in Dealer Admin, make that selection, and Dealer Admin will automatically send that change down to your systems. You no longer have to connect to each panel individually to change that aspect of programming. Let's take a look at how to set up mass programming. Once you log into Dealer Admin, on the menu on the right, select Tools, then select Mass Programming. This brings you to the Mass Programming menu. You can see here any previous mass programming events that I've created and their status. Let's add a new mass programming event. Next to mass programming, select the plus button. Next, select the system type that you'll be editing the programming for. I'll select XT Series. Below this, enter in a reason for the change. Let's say I want to increase the exit delay to 90 seconds. Now scroll down and select System Options. Keep scrolling until you find exit delay. Each aspect of programming has a checkbox next to it. Once you select that checkbox, you can edit that aspect of programming. In this case, I'll put in 90. Since this is the only aspect that we've added a checkbox to, this is the only piece of programming that will change. You can edit any aspect of programming you'd like. Simply check the checkbox next to that programming option and set it to how you'd like it. Once you've entered 90, scroll up and select Add Systems. Now we'll select the number of systems we'd like to make this programming change to. This can be 1, 10, 100, or 1,000 panels. I can simply select all systems under J&S Management Company, or I can select just a few. Once you've selected the systems, hit Save. Now you can see we'll be increasing the exit delay to 90 seconds for these systems on the right. Once you've finished, simply click Send. Click OK to begin the mass programming change. Now you can see at the top of the mass programming menu who this mass programming change was created by, the system type, and the status. As you can see here, it's running. This status will continue to update until all systems have been updated. At any time, you can click the View button to see the status of this update. You can see that 4 out of 5 systems successfully updated, with one update still in progress. At any time, you can also view the status of any past mass programming changes. On any of the past programming changes, simply click View to view the status. You can see here that out of 5 systems, we successfully updated 2, but 3 we were unable to update. Mass programming saves your team lots of time, which in turn saves you money. That's mass programming in Dealer Admin.